So today, for some reason, I felt like organizing my closet. If all goes well, then I will show you and this video will be posted. But if you're already watching this about me talking about this, then it probably did work out. That's why you're watching this video. But anyways, I didn't buy too many things at Dollar General. Let me just show you what I bought. I got these like in the little hardware aisle. These quote unquote heavy duty clips. I got one basket and then I got this hook thing. And these are all my bags. Let me also just kind of like show off my weird bags that I have. I have another bag that I had bought from Payless. It's a Christian Siriano bag. And it was actually really good quality, but the zipper ended up like coming off its teeth. So I have it at like the boot repair store right now. And they replaced the zipper, but I have to go pick it up later. So that is the only bag missing, but I have like some quirky bags. I just kind of wanted to do a little show and tell. I got this one at a swap here. The handle did break, but I'm gonna super glue it and then just end up using it has like it's like a fake little phone. And I'm gonna end up using the straps, which I took off, but that's one of my weird little purses. Oh, as far as purse care, what I like to do, since the majority of my purses are like vinyl, you can even buy leather wipes if you have a genuine leather bag, but I use Armor All wipes to repolish like a lot of my pleather purses. Like this one I got at Disneyland this past summer. I got this one at IKEA. I thought it was like really cool. So I usually take that when I'm shopping at bazaars or I go to art markets. This one, I like owls. I know a lot of people like owls, but I feel like I'm like an OG owl lover. I didn't jump on this bandwagon. Here's that bag that I had made. McDowell's. I don't really use it that much anymore. I have to come up with a better closure deal here. But I do take it out once in a while. It's still a great bag. I have another owl bag. This like round clutch I made out of some leftover bridal fabric from like a client a long time ago. I do a lot of shopping at thrift stores. So that's a bag that I got at the thrift store. I can't get rid of my bags. This thing I made for a shoot. If you saw my Instagram, it was like at the Salt Flats, and it was kind of like a post-apocalyptic thing. So that's been up. Here's a hat. This thing I have to fix when I get the chance. I got this at the Sarah Winchester house in San Jose when I went a few years ago. It was freaking awesome. This bag, believe it or not, I made this when I was like 16, and I like to still take it out when I go to shows. I feel special. This clutch is one of my more adult-looking purses. I got another clutch. Actually, I think this one's like a makeup case, but I use it like a clutch. I like it. Here's a muff I made a long time ago. My ramen bag's still good. I have a butcher's knife purse. And then this one, I love this bag a lot too because it's got a lot of room in it. It's more grown up, but it has rubbed off here. I did originally buy it at a thrift store, but like this was all intact. So that's just what I have for now. Oh, and then of course I have this purse, which if I take it out again, I do need to respray paint it, and my tin can clutch. I still use them. They're all still kicking. So here's my closet. Basic closet that most people have. Not a lot of room if you have a lot of stuff, which is why today I felt compelled to clear it out. So I'm still trying to wipe this down. I did buy some sticky LED lights at the Dollar Tree, and I stuck them up here. They're very strong, but of course they're Dollar Tree items, so I don't know how long it's gonna last. But of course I don't intend on keeping
these lights on all the time, so I'm hoping they'll last me a good while. So like I wanted to put the basket up here somewhere and then organize everything because I don't plan on buying a new house soon. So walk-in closet space is just like never gonna happen. So that's what I have to deal with. I was a little bummed out at the Dollar Tree. They didn't have the over the door shoe organizers. Sorry, my TV's like really loud. I'm watching Boomer. All right, let's see the finished result. Okay, so remember I have a basic ass small house closet. So yeah, I have a lot of room here now. I actually am gonna put I guess like my most sensitive types of shoes. Like I have boots that are satin, and I've like, you know, I want to get or make room in here. Like I want to get myself, where's the eye of the camera? Right. I want to get myself new stuff, but like, you know, I don't have a lot of closet space. I don't have an extra room in my house so I could just make it like my own closet. So everything in here worked out. The lights, they worked pretty damn good. I had bought a third one, but I don't think I'll need it. I already offered my services to my husband's side of the closet, but he declined. So whatever. Anyways, so I put those little cheapy Dollar Tree hooks. I put one on this side of the closet to hang my most, like the longest, like the purses that have like really long chains that didn't have a smaller handle to put like I did here. And then over here, I put the same handle, like if you could see here, this handle. They're cheapy little handles from like the hardware section of the Dollar Tree where they sell like the automotive and painting stuff. I put that here, and then with the basket, since it has like the holes in it, I just kind of like hooked it on. And then here I just have like my clutches and things that don't have handles at all. I put that in here. And then of course, everything that you see here, I'm thinking maybe I should have gone back. No, it's fine the way it is. But this had a lot of space, so I hung all my little shorter purses that had shorter little handles like this, and that had O-rings just to hang it. So I have a lot of room in my closet now. I'm gonna do the bottom, but I thought this was a very good alternative, or not alternative, but a solution for your very small closet. You know, if I wanted to, I could even put something like up here. But for now, I'm just going to, for now, I'm just gonna leave it as such because I don't need to. I'll just keep the rest of the hooks that I had, and then yeah. So you're probably gonna be like, so are you gonna have like a step stool next to you this whole time? Because I obviously cannot access all this stuff without stepping on like a step ladder or something. And this is what I always had. Let me show. Forgive my dirty room. Like I made a mess doing this thing. I have to vacuum now, but I always had this like vanity mirror here, or long length mirror for my outfit, you know, just to check myself real quick. And I always had this footstool here too, because I like to sit on it and put my shoes on before I run out the door. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of like scoot it over to access everything up here. So yeah, that's how I'm planning to do it. So I always have like a little footstool next to my closet anyways. So everything just kind of like worked out. Here's all my little closet in all its glory. I'm so proud of it. I think all in all, I did buy some extra stuff for myself at Dollar Tree, but I think all in all, I paid like $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 with all the closet stuff, including the lights that are up here. So I spent like $6 on this closet solution. If you have a closet like this, I think this would be very, I hope I gave you some ideas to, you know, maximize your space. I always say, you know, like if you don't have a lot of space, just go as high as the ceiling to hang your stuff. I mean, it can look nice. Now I just have to like organize my shoe
problem here. Oh my God. Oh. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.